Your hair can make or break your look. However, it is difficult if your hair is breaking from the middle itself. Dryness of hair, constant heat styling, or washing them too often is the culprit for this hair problem. Amongst many reasons for it, lack of hair elasticity is a major one. Today's video will discuss how to fix hair breaking from the middle. Here are some tips to improve the elasticity of hair and prevent hair breaking from the middle. 1. Avoid excessive use of styling tools. Be it a dryer or a straightener, these styling tools are all heat intensive. 2. Apply protein treatment. Apply protein treatment about once or twice a month for significant results. It will make your hair soft, strengthen its shaft, and also make it possible for your hair to stretch without breaking. Avoid giving your hair protein treatment more than every 6 weeks. 3. Deep condition your hair regularly. With a polluted environment, extreme use of styling tools, and the day-to-day wear and tear that happens to the hair, it's important to deep condition the locks no less than twice a month. 4. Improve your diet, including foods high in protein, such as eggs, and meat in your diet to nourish your hair. Foods containing omega-3 fatty acids can also nurture your hair, so include salmon and nuts in your diet as well. Are you follow these tips to improve the elasticity of your hair? Let me know in the comment section below.